Les Sands pair for life. Repeated displays cement their long-term relationship. It takes 2 adults to raise just 1 chick. So a partner willing to share the burden of parenthood is the difference between success and failure. But this female is on her own. She was seduced and then abandoned by an unfaithful male. Adulterous males play no further part in looking after their extramarital eggs. She cannot raise her chick alone. She must find a partner. A new arrival catches her eye. But she needs to discover whether this is a partner she can rely on. And she does so by suggesting a dance. They seem a perfect match. But it's a match with a difference, because her dance partner is another female. This duet confirms their commitment to raising a chick together.